What is up? My name is Cooper and welcome to Safari Builds. If you're not already subscribing, please do, because in today's video, we're gonna be wiring up everything from our battery, our 3 wiring harnesses, our kill switch and distributor blocks so that we can power these 6 amazing LED headlights that Auxbeam sent me. Let's get right to it! Before we even get into this, let's just peel these puppies off. Shh, listen. Let's lift this puppy up. Now, we got all this luxurious room in here, but what are we gonna put in there, you might be asking? A battery, but first, let's clean this puppy up. Ooh, just like this. Now we have these to think about, our distributor blocks. So basically, the negative to negative is gonna be super simple. It's literally gonna be a connection like this, right? Super simple. But then we have our positive distributor. Before the battery even connects to this, it's gonna have to connect to our kill switch, which is gonna be in the driver's side. And we're gonna have to run a cable from here all the way through this wall on the other side where this will be sitting, and then connect to this side to the distributor block so that we can shut everything off really easy if we need, so that if we light on fire or we're exploding, we can shut it all off. I'm gonna drill a hole right through here so that we can pass the wires through here. This is kind of gonna act as like our firewall. Super easy peasy. Our cables should be able to pass through there. All we really need to drill out is this section that kind of makes this little piece, which will just take a couple of these. That is basically our big kill switch. I went ahead and just scrapped the old wire that I was thinking about using, and I bought some brand new stuff. So I'm gonna need to measure everything out. So right about here should be pretty good. I'm gonna attempt to strip this end really quick. Let's repeat the same process. Okay, so I got the pieces pinched on. Now we just need to get these on. And just like that, beautiful. Now let's get the other side. Now we gotta connect them to here and then the kill switch in there, and our battery is basically almost ready. And then we'll screw these in, connect the ground, connect the lights, and then try them out. I'm gonna pass the wires through. We got that in, which is sweet. But I just wanna make sure that our contact is good all the way through. We are gonna quickly swap these to some smaller connecting pieces. So they turn on. Let's get the rest wired up. Let's frickin' unpack these puppies and finish everything. I'm pumped that those 2 lights work and that I wired everything properly, because majority of it was just guessing game. We need to strip the wires. Let's grab these. We need 4. Bam! Okay, let's unwrap these puppies, hook them up to the lights, and then test them all, because I'm super excited. And then we'll drive this thing. Boom, boom, boom. Pretty mint. Then we got boom, boom, boom. I drilled this in, and because it was on metal, it did not like that, and the screw broke, but it's on enough. We have got to try and get this thing off, and it's just not gonna go well. Well, folks, I have a bit of unfortunate news for you. Everything with the lights is absolutely amazing. Go check out Auxbeam because They are the reason that this puppy has lights. I mean, look at this. So simple. Bam. Look at these bad boys. Dang. Check out this freaking video. Back to what I was saying, we do have some not so fun news. Number one, the oil leak that I welded, professional welder by the way, did not hold. It did for a long time and for most of the time. See that oil? But then also this thing freaking bent because I should have welded a support on the other side of it and I did not. And the chain came off, but luckily it shot that way and not into the wall of the engine. So the engine's totally fine. I will be making a video on fixing the whole sprocket system because something is wrong. I need like a chain puller so I can pull the chain super tight before I even start driving, if that makes sense. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video first off. Make sure to subscribe because we're only going up from here, baby. I'm gonna get this thing absolutely dialed before summer. I mean, dialed, and we're gonna rip and grip soon in the next like 2 to 3 months. So stay tuned and subscribe.